Understanding this one thing brought me from a skinny fat brown kid to what people would agree is a pretty decent physique. If you're someone who's been going to the gym and you've not been making any progress, or you're not seeing any gains, or you feel depressed thinking about, not making any gains, like what you see on Instagram or like those 10-second videos that show, oh, I made this in 3 months. If you're someone who's like that, this video is for you. I wasted months in the gym trying to figure out the best workout or the best reps to set ratio. And I came across this interesting video. It was a video of David Lade and Chris Bumstead working together. So what actually happens is David Lade gets on like a shoulder press machine, I guess, and he finishes his set like pretty easy. And Chris is like, "Oh, what happened? Was the weight too light, or were you tired? What happened?" He was like, "I have a lot of sets left." And I think this is what I was doing too. I'm not saying David Lade is, you know, small or something. He's pretty fucking jacked. But if you're someone who's like skinny and you're trying to follow this, it will, take you in the wrong direction. It'll completely change your trajectory of how you're gonna grow in the gym. I did this one thing. I took each set to failure, and that changed a lot. Instead of focusing on, how many sets to do, focus on the max amount of reps that you can do in each set. No matter what, you push hard in each set. You know, get this stoic mindset of like, oh, maybe this is the last set of my life, or this is the last set of my day, and max it out. All these scientific nerds, they tell, oh, this is not ideal, or 12 to 15 reps is ideal. But this is what worked for me, and I'm sharing this with you so that it can help you too. It's not about protein, it's not about how much time you work out in the gym, it's not about how many sets you do. I mean, it is about protein, but it's not completely that. The main thing that you're missing out, because that's this is the one thing that can literally change your trajectory. It can take you from being skinny to, a pretty decent physique to where I am right now. I'm here because of what I did. So focus on getting the max number of reps in each set, and decrease the volume of sets that you're doing. Instead of doing, 4 or 5 sets of one exercise, just do two of the same exercise, but max out your reps. So keep the first set, stop it right before failure. That's one thing. And the second set, you can take it to failure. Like, push as much as possible. The half reps in the dumbbell curls or like bicep curls. That's the thing that actually grows muscle. The second additional tip that, helped me grow from skinny to pretty lean is focus on the descent rate. What I mean is, if you're like curling a dumbbell, focus on getting it down slowly. This is where the actual muscle is built. Even if you're bench pressing, push it hard in the first and slowly get it down to your chest. Focus on the decentric movement. This is what actually builds muscle. This is like a extra bonus tip that I would like to give. Okay, if you're someone who's skinny fat and you want to grow, follow this channel.